Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to head out to Malibu Park. We're going to have some lunch, we're going to have some dinner, ultimately we're going to have some chicken Shashlyk, and we're going to try to see how they make it, and we're going to try to copy it and make it at home tomorrow. But anyways, let's head out. It's going to be a long day today, and let's go. Time for some ice cream. Here's the Malibu. Let's get some food. She looks very hungry too. What is all this stuff? I should eat here.
Скажите, что это наше мясо, сделай хорошее, чтобы он... Могу показать.
So Mira and Malibu are eating lamb Shashlyk and chicken Shashlyk. So let's see if I can make the same thing at home. It's good. It's juicy. So we'll cook, marinate this in lemon juice, assortment of spices, and mineral water one day before he cooks this. You know, this would have been better with a couple beers. Cheers, everyone. It's good. Good Russian beer. So here I have Selenia. It's like a Russian traditional plant. They bottle fruits, pickles, little babies. Like we saw in the other pictures, just joking, no. But they only pickles the fruits they bottle in here. It's good. It's like radish, and I'll look at the ingredients when I get home. Let me try the salad too. Good. It's like ham, peas. I can taste the mayonnaise, egg. It's delicious. It goes well with the borscht. So I got this bread. It's called pambushka, like babushka, like grandmother. I don't know, but pambushka. Dip it in the sauce. Good. They're sweet, well marinated, and hopefully I can replicate this at home. We'll see, right? Welcome back, everyone. Today we're making chicken and pork Shashlyk or chicken kebabs. It's up to you. But we take these skewers. We're gonna put some chicken, pork, and vegetables on these. But first, we gotta marinate the chicken and let it rest for about 24 hours so it can soak in those ingredients, okay? So let's get started. Dice 1 onion, dice 1 bell pepper, deseed the bell pepper, and cut the bell pepper into 2-inch cubes. Do the same thing for the onion. Anything smaller will just fall off the skewer. Next, cut the potato in half. I prefer small potatoes because it's just easier to cut. You can buy the large ones, but then you can spend time dicing it. Now place the potatoes in a bowl, and we're going to set this in the fridge. We'll use this tomorrow. Now you're going to need at least 2 pounds of pork. Dice some of the fat off the pork, but I'm going to keep a lot of the fat on the pork because it's going to hold in the flavor and make it more juicy. We're going to cut the pork into 2-inch cubes. You don't want it too small and you don't want it too big because you want all the pork to cook evenly. So you want all the slices to be about 2 inches. Smaller than 2 inches, it's going to be too dry. Larger than 2 inches, it's all going to cook uneven. Once you have the pork cut into 1-inch cubes, we're going to make small incisions on the top and bottom. This is going to expand the surface area of the meat so it can soak in more of that delicious marinade. So 2 to 3 slices on top, 2 to 3 slices on the bottom. Now you're going to need 3 chicken breasts. You're going to cut these into 2-inch cubes. Once the chicken breasts are cut, you're going to do the same thing as the pork. Small incisions on the top, small incisions on the bottom. Next, you're going to place all the meat into a bowl once you have all the meat cut. And make sure you mix the chicken and the pork. Mix all this thoroughly. Place some onions because the onions is going to help break up the meat when it marinates. Now you're going to add 2 lemons, 1 lime, 6 tablespoons of ketchup, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 to 3 tablespoons of cayenne pepper, tablespoon of pepper or 2, a tablespoon of garlic powder, 6 tablespoons of white sugar, and you're going to add in a half a cup of water and salt, a teaspoon of salt. Mix the ingredients together. Now let this rest in the fridge for 24 hours. Now we're going to make the skewers. I like to do the tomato first, then a potato. And the reason I like the potato in the end is because it's going to hold the meat on the skewer to ensure it doesn't slide off. Also, it's going to allow you to press the meat tightly together to maintain those juices and to ensure all those ingredients, right, blend together. It blends into the vegetables, the pork, the chicken, and it's going to taste amazing. I'm using the cutting board to push the potato through because it's kind of tough. So make sure when you put this on, you alternate the meat. You know, a piece of chicken, a bell pepper, then a piece of pork, then a tomato, then an onion, and alternate it. And on the very end, I like to put a potato, right, to hold everything together. Then after the potato, I like to put a cherry tomato because it's going to make it look amazing right here. Bam. So set your oven to 200 degrees and slow cook these for 35 and 40 minutes. And every 10 minutes check on it and rub a little lemon juice and olive oil on it every once in a while to keep it tender, okay? So right here it's been 10 minutes and I'm basting the chicken with ketchup, butter, pepper, and a little sugar. And I'm going to do this twice during the baking process. This is about 30 minutes at 250, and it's going to be perfect. Trust me. Well, it's about 30-35 minutes. Let's take a look. Ooh, wow. You see that? Wow. Time to relax to a beer. I usually don't have a beer during school nights, but after working all day and making you guys this delicious meal, I deserve this. Cheers. So let's try these kebabs out. Me, you, and Mr. Poop here. Mmm. pretty good. Add some hot sauce right here. You don't need it though, it's tender. Pretty good. What do you think, Mr. Poop? Pretty good? He agrees, it's pretty good. So have a good night, everyone. Take care. Please subscribe. Questions, just email me below or comment, and I'll do more videos like this in the future. Me cooking, or me just going to a restaurant, trying the food, and see if we can recreate what we just had. But I think we did pretty good with these chicken on the sticks. So take care and have a great night. Bye.